to extract files that are zipped off of the Vertanu1 webpage. The first thing you want to do is go to the Vertanu1 webpage, and it's just vertanux1.com. You're going to go to Part Files, and then depending upon the course you're in, you select the column. So Creo, down here, you'll see Exercise 5. Not all parts are compressed, but in the case when they're larger, like an assembly like this, we do. So I'm going to click on Exercise 5 parts. They'll appear there like this, and you can see it's a .zip, so it's compressed. So I'm going to go over here and download, and I'm using the Google Chrome browser, so yours might look a little different. Sometimes it's in the lower left, sometimes in the upper right to download these. Now it's going to download these, and it takes a little bit of time. And then we can see it here. Now, if you hit the little arrow to the right of that, or just click on it, it'll open them. So I'm going to go ahead and open. And then it brings up this. And this is Windows Explorer. And I'm just going to hit up here, Extract All. You can see all the files. Just hit Extract All. And I would recommend putting these in a place you could find easily. So go to Browse, and you could go to Desktop. You could even right-click and create a new folder, or unfortunately, I don't think it's showing up here. Oops. Here, let me bring this up so you can see this. So you can just right click and you'll see New Folder, and just call it the Exercise 5 or E5 Creo. Then double click inside there and hit Select Folder. And now hit Extract All. Alright, we should now have the folder extracted in the Desktop E5 Creo. We can now go back to Creo, go to Open, and go to your desktop, which is right over here. And then you're going to find that folder, the E5 Creo, double click, and there your files are. And in this case, you'll remember actually you don't want to open them directly or individually like that. Just remember you're going to go to New Assembly in this case, and you're going to label it E5. And I already have one up there, so I'm going to call it E5B. And Assemble. And then the first thing you're going to look for is the Bracket Pro. And it should open up just fine. This is Creo 8. Don't forget to set it to default in most cases. Okay, and that should help you get started.